funny at when you getting the haircut, you know what I'm saying?
Tell them this what you look before the haircut.
So I always look before the haircut.
Yeah,
but
like
after when I get right, you feel me? Yeah. You don't understand.
What's up, everybody? You heard my guy, man. Let's go ahead and get him right. Y'all stay tuned so I can go ahead and give him this haircut. So in this video, I am going to give him a low ball fade, kind of a medium fade. And as you can see here, I am going to show y'all every step. So I did start off with the one guard on top, and that's going to pretty much set the whole length of what I want the length to be on top. As I'm, trimming it down, I know exactly what I need to do. So as this is getting trimmed down, this is pretty much just going to be, that number one level that it's just going to sit at. And we're going to get this all down even much as possible so we can get everything pretty much to that one desired length. And now, since we are doing the medium kind of low ball fade look, we are about to start the fade now. As you can see, we hit on with them edgers, the Babless trimmers. Love them. Babless hit my line. But yeah, we is balling it out. As you can see, I'm giving it a little curve. I'm not setting a straight line. Oh yeah, so I do not use plastic guards when I do fades or any kind of tapers or whatever the case is. Only use plastic guards for like the top of the hair or whatever. So, but I just had to show y'all the whole clipper, letting y'all know that this is just the clipper itself, and we finna do the whole fade, man. Y'all just watch me freestyle. I freestyle my blend, so I just wanted to show y'all, a little bit more clarification of what's really going on. And I'm working on that first transition, trying to knock out that line much as possible that I created with them ball trimmers. And now I'm hitting on with my comb, and my comb is the only form of a guard or any kind of level checker, you know what I mean, for me to see exactly where I need to cut and see exactly where I need to fade. So I use the comb for that, and that just kind of helped me out on my guidelines and just debulk so it could be easier as I'm blending. I'm blending now, but that comb actually helps debulk everything without me doing extra rake work, as you can see here. Now I'm just detailing, just freestyling, raking what I need to rake and blending what I need to blend inside this fade. And as you can see, I'm just knocking all that bulk off, just creating that fade little by little. I did the ball line first, then I made the second transition to fade into the ball line, and now I'm heading on up towards the occipital bone. As you can see here, just detailing a little bit in between the lines and all that bulk area right there, just a little bit below the occipital bone. As I'm grabbing now with the comb, that's pretty much the last piece of bulk that I need to blend in. As you can see here with that comb, you see how I just pick up and don't leave the comb flat, but I kind of pull out towards the top so it could leave more length, so it could still be dark in that fade. I don't want it to be light around that parietal ridge area. I kind of wanted to keep it dark much as possible. But since I freestyle, I detail a lot, so my detailing process kind of take maybe an extra 5, 7 to 10 minutes, because I actually go through the whole fade just by eyeing it and just by really picking at each spot that I want to pick at to make that fade make way more sense than what it already is. So as you can see, I'm just really pretty much just figuring out what I need to debulk and actually blend together to make that whole transition from light to dark in one transition blend. You know what I mean? Like, I don't want to see a line by my parietal ridge, and I don't want to see that line that I'm trying to attack now later on in the haircut. I actually want that hair to be gone. So I am attacking that dark line right there. As you can see, I'm just kind of picking at it, kind of just putting the corner of my blade in that dark spot so it could really just get them little spots out so it could just make more sense. And I'm just kind of just looking at it, looking away from my blend, because you don't want to sit there and look at your blend for a really long time. Because sometimes if you look at it for a long time, it could kind of like maybe get blurry because your eyes are so focused on one thing. So you're not really paying attention to the little things that make the blend pop. You know what I mean? So focus on the small things.
So you see right now, the lineup right now, it's not looking anything good. But watch the transformation, you see? Bro. Funny ant we trust.
Bro.
Okay, now I'm cleaning up the edge up just to make the edge up more clean and also the hair way more clean.
If we had something called a barber fest, Funny Ant would represent Minnesota, I'm not gonna lie. Just saying that now.
Gotta blow dry the hair down so it could lay and stay. So when I come with them edges after fixing it up, everything will be crispy. Like right now, I'm working on that left side of my lining. I started it from the middle, now I'm working my way to the left. Now I'm on them handlebars, kind of, you know, just taking my time, making that straight line, you know, that 90-degree angle, more 90 degrees than it ever been. You know what I mean? But now I'm heading on to them C cups, man. And y'all let me know what y'all think about this video so far. If you're new, subscribe. If you are a person that always been here, you already know what to do, man. Comment and share this video. Let's get to it. But as y'all can see, I'm working on that right side of that lineup, and it's pretty much straightforward. You see, I'm going straight across. It's not as straight as it's supposed to be because this is kind of like the rough draft, and I'm gonna come back and, you know, straighten it up even more. But this is just me hitting that other side of the 90-degree, you know, bars, and finna work on them C cups again and just bring everything pretty much together, man. Just really a simple cut, you know, easy, but, you know, difficult if you don't know what you're doing. Got to give him a razor edge up. He does not have spray enhancements. No spray enhancements. That's just a little extra spice I put onto the haircut to make original haircuts look enhanced. That is what I specialize in here in Minnesota, the best at it in the world. So yeah, man, y'all let me know in the comment section what y'all think about this haircut down below, man. Until then, let's get to it, shorty.
You feel what I'm saying? I told you. Man revived me. You see the cut? You see the cut? You see the cut?
My sister.
Subscribe.
Also follow my Instagram right there at the right bottom corner at Officialfunnyant. That is my brand. That is what I do. Add my Facebook as well. Let's get to it.